Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Mickey is the whip of state NCP. Party removes Nilkant as whip. Mickey replaces Zuze from NCP presidentship. Is NCP divorcing Congress in the new year? (2010) ends, people in the best party mood. It's time to welcome the new year. Security beefed up for the New Year bash. Terror alert on the entire West Coast. State police say no need to worry, security at all crucial points. Captain of boat stops new construction and registration of barges, says excessive traffic in the Goan inland waterways a matter of concern. And over in sports, Swapnil Asnorkar pulls off a miracle to take Dempo Cricket Club into the semi-finals. Swapnil's firepower knocked out Sarvodaya from the GPL. And now the news in detail. NCP has removed Nilkant Hadankar as the whip of the party and Zuze from the post of leader of the legislature wing. NCP has officially intimated this to the Speaker Pratap Singh Rane. Sources say NCP might withdraw their support from the government following denial to drop Zuze and Nilkant from the cabinet. Mickey has been bestowed with both these powers.
The picture started becoming clear with the sun of 2010 going down. NCP is moving fast towards withdrawing their support from the Congress-led alliance government. NCP has written a letter to Speaker Pratap Singh Rane informing him about removal of Zuze Philip D'Souza from the leadership of NCP's legislature wing and replacement of Nilkant. Both positions are given to Banavali MLA Mickey Pacheco.
It is NCP party has to inform the speaker that he ceases to be the whip and the whip now is Mr. So-and-so.
The important position is the whip, not the leader of the legislature party. He is the whip because it is he who shall issue the whip. That is issued by the whip.
Okay,
From that point of view, the position of the whip is very important. Legislature party is not as important a position than the whip because it is the whip who orders which side the voting should take place.
NCP is planning to reinstate Mickey in the place of Zuze and Nilkant. Party has also said that portfolios of both the ministers be given to Mickey, including chairmanship of some of the corporations. Pawar is yet to meet Sonia Gandhi as her schedule is very busy. He is expected to meet her on Monday. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's the end of the year 2010. New Year celebrations have commenced across Goa. Lakhs of tourists from India and abroad have already made their base in the state to welcome 2011. Heavy rush of tourists was witnessed in Panji, Kalangut Baga, Kolwa and other tourist hotspots.
This is the sunset of 31st December, the last year of 2010. Lakhs of tourists gave adieu to setting sun at all Goan beaches. Miramar, Kalangut, Baga, Anjuna, Kolwa flooded with international as well as Desi tourists to celebrate and welcome 2011. People were seen partying at hotels and clubs across Goa.
Fine, very fine. Very good. Very good enjoyment. Enjoyment. Train is very good this year. Yeah.
यहाँ पहली बार आए हो गोवा में?
जी पहली बार
सेलिब्रेशन
जी
कैसा है?
ब्यूटीफुल.
तो क्या आप विशेष देना चाहोगे
लोगों को विशेष देना चाहेंगे नए वर्ष की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
And we are very happy since we are here for 3 to 4 days and we enjoyed a lot. So
how you found
You
man.
Large crowd of tourists was also seen at Santa Monica Jetty in Panji. Due to large influx of tourists, there were traffic jams at many places, but this has not hampered the spirit of celebration frenzy crowd. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Happy New Year 2011 indeed. Security has been beefed up in major tourist spots across Goa during New Year's celebrations. General alert was received by Goa police few days back about a possible intrusion by subversive elements through the west coast. But Goa police says there is no specific alert and they have taken all precautions during this tourist season.
Central Intelligence Agency had received inputs of possible intrusion by terrorists during Christmas and New Year through the west coast. After Mumbai attack, security has been beefed up across India against any possible sea-borne attacks. Goa too has received a general alert as it falls on west coast, but police say that there is no specific or red alert.
General alert that was received did not name any particular organization, but they said possible subversive element. So subversive element could belong to any organization. These are all third-party information that we got. This is not direct source information that we get. These are from other central intelligence agencies, sister agencies who give us information. So we go by the reliability of it. The information seems to be quite credible, so we are working on that.
Indian Reserve Battalion, 2 companies of paramilitary forces, PCR vans, traffic police are all at work. Police say all possible steps have been taken to beef up the security.
So overall we see that there has been enough secure scenario created in the state, and all the people who are here should feel secure and safe.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
It's time now for a short break. We'll be right back.